Okay, first fight.
Wait lang natin yung timer ha. Okay na yung kanina to eh. Malakas pa rin.
Okay, first fight. To all players, tap in. Yung mga may suot pong higaw, kwintas, porceras, singsing. Pakitanggal po. Blade Master versus Binondo Team. Jumbo. Blade Master ball, number 13 Ramos for 2 points.
Sino ay? Hello. Hello.
Number 73. Madara.
Binigay kay number 24, no good. Nakuha ni number... Hello.
Shot, no good.
Oh. Hello.
Number 73, pass to number 30. No good. Number 35, pinigay number 11, time shot. For 3 points. By number 11. Number 05, pass to number 13. Number 13, inangat. No good. Ang tirang is back. Tinabala ni number 73 ang bola. Number 73, pass to number 11 again. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 13, Ramos. Pass to number 28. Number 28, dribble the ball. Pass to number 05, outside. Binondo, Timbo. 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 Number 30, dribble the ball.
Sumalaksak, pinasa kay number 35.
No good. Rebound by number 13, Ramos. Ramos, pass to number 05. Number 06, Ponce. Dribble the ball. Okay, back to the ball game. Dahil nakikipagkwentuhan ng dalawang referee sa isang referee na hindi duty, back to the ball game. No good. That's one shot to Panchero. I see it. No good again. Rebound by number 13. Oh! Offensive foul! Ang tawag ng ating referee. Offensive foul si number 13, Ramos. Inbound number 31, pass to number 13. Number 13, dribble the ball. Pass to number 31. 31 down shot for 2 points. Number 31. Number 06. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 21. Number 21 sumalaksak. Oh. Ang tawag rep. Rubbing violation. Rep, ano ba yung kanina rep? Foul ba yun? Rebound by number 13, Ramos. Indiretso na for 2 points. Inbound number 13, pass to number 31. Pass to number 23, jump shot, no good. Outside, Blade Master team ball. Inbound number 21, pass to number 06. Number 06, inabala ang bola. Pass to number 13. Number 13 sa malaksa. Is failed by number 13. Number 13, wow! Tapik, nakuha ni number 23 ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha na ni number 21 ang bola ng Blade Master team. Pass to number 06. Pinigay kay number 05. Number 05, what a shot! Pero no good. Number 73, pass to number 31. Caparas. Pass to number 11 for 2 points. Number 28, pass to number 75. Back to number 28. Still the number 31. Number 30, pass to number 11. Caballero. Caballero. Still number 05. Ang bola. Pass to number 13. Number 13 Ramos sumalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Ramos again for 2 points. Number 30, dribble the ball. Wow. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 06. Number 06. Pass to number 05. Number 05 still by number 23. Number 23. Binondo team. Pass breaking number 30 and number 11. Caparas, take shot. Back to number 30. Number 30, Segua. Segua, dribble the ball. Time to shoot. Black by number 21 and 13. Number 06, Ponce. No good. Only number 23 ang bola. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. The score 10-12 in favor of Binondo team. No good. Only number 21 pass to number 13. Number 13, Ramos. Diretso na. Foul! Counter! 73. Timeout, Blade Master. Yan naman ang problema, pag-usapan natin. Hindi yung dadaan sa mabuting usapan o sa mga anak. One shot to pass round. Ginaldo team ball. Inbound number 11 then. Number 20. Number 73. Jump shot for 2 points. That's 30 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 6 to shoot. Robin violation. Asir. 15 seconds. Number 73. Dribble the ball. 10. 5. The end of the first quarter. Who's phone rep? Number 06. First personal foul.
Hello. Yeah.
Number 73, Sumalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Same ball. Same ball. Aray. Winning number 72 and ball and number 2. Good. For 2 points. Good eye. Inbound number 16, pass to O. Number 20, pass to number 18, jump shot, no good. This one to number 13, Ramos. Number 1, Ambola. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Jump shot. Oh, Binondo team ball. Inbound, number 20. Pass to number 73. 73, dribble the ball. Pass to number 35, jump shot. No good. On number 13, ang bola, Ramos. Pass to number 35, Mercolita. Mercolita, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak. Pinasa kay number 02, back to number 35. Napitawan ang bola nakuha ni number 18. Okay, thank you. Number 35. Jump ball.
Ay, doon kayo sa labas. Bawal muna kayo rito, bawal muna.
Number 35, Mercolita. Pass to number 13, Ramos. Ramos, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 73. Number 73, binababa ng bola. Number 73, jump shot. No good. Wali number 20 ang bola. Number 20, sumalaksak, tinira. No good again. Number 20, no good again. Scatter na. Foul number 13. Second personal foul, first team foul. Lapit po kayo para makita kayo dito. Substitution rep. Hoy, dalawa kayo. Tigas ng ulo. 1 point. Last one shot. 1 point again. Inbound, number 13. Pass to number 35. Number 35 going down. Jump shot. No good. Inbound, number 20. Pass to number 73. Number 73 dribbling the ball. Number 73. He's dribble the ball. Time to shoot. Number 11, jump shot. No good. Only number 45 ang bola. Number 45, binaba ang bola. Sumalaksak pero pinasa ka number 02. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 35, binababa ang bola. Okay. Pass to number 73. Number 73. Nahanap na papasahan. Fake. Pinigay kay number 11 ang bola. 6 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 13, Ramos. Ramos. Pass to number 35. Number 35, Mercolita. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Mercolita again. The best ranks. No good again. Rebound by number 02. Jump shot again. No good. He's got it now. Nice still yung number 02 ang bola. Number 02. Foul! Third personal foul, second team foul. Number 35. A second. One point. That's one shot to Paltrow. Number 30. Binaba na ang bola. Sebwa. No good. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 13. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 31. Jump shot. No good. Foul. 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 Who's foul? Number 13. number 30. First personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time, last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Score 16-19 in favor of Blade Master. Number 30 jump shot, no good. Only number 13 ng bola, Ramos. Pass to number 06, Ponce. Sino pa po gusto mo paalaga ng bata? Tumatanggap pa po kami. Foul. Who's foul, ref? Number 30 again. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Yan, avail pa. Avail pa po kami. Sino po magpapaalaga ng bata dyan? Meron pa pong dalawang bakante rito. No good. Nakuha pa rin number 21 ang bola. Number 21, pass to number 13. Number 13 Ramos. Pinigay kay number 06. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha rin number 18 ang bola ng Binondo team. Pass to number 30. Number 30, back pass. Nakuha ni number 23, 11. Number 11. Number 11. Pinigay kay number 18. Back to number 11. Number 11. Lumapit. Umikot. Tinira. No good. Nakuha pa rin number 11. Tinira na! Oh! Offensive foul! Number 11. Nakaka-offensive pa na yung kaigot-igot. Rebound number 06. Pass to number 35. Number 35, binaba na ang bola. Jump shot. For 3 points. Inbound, number 20, pass to number 30. Foul, number 17. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 30, dribble the ball, pass to number 11. Number 11, binigay kay number 18. Number 18, back to number 3 to shoot. 2 to shoot, 1 to shoot. Time out. Sabong. Ano ba? Time out. Blade Master. Sino kaya mag-i-sponsor sa atin ng ng takoyaki dyan? Sa lahat ng mga audience, baka po may nais mag-i-sponsor sa amin ng takoyaki. Maraming salamat po. Wala pa man din. Number 35, pass to number 05, jump shot for 3 points. Number 30, binaba na ang bola. Ibinigay kay number 11, jump shot. No good. Blade Master team ball. iPad daw, iPad. Number 06, pass to number 02. Jump shot. No good. Pero nakakuha pa rin. Outside na. Binondo team ball. Pass break number 30 kay number 20. Bitawan, nakuha ni number 28 ng Blade Master team. Number 02. Sinilaksak na, sinira. No good. Kunin number 30 ng Binondo team. Number 30, pinaba na ang bola. Number 30, sinira. One shot for 2 points. Last 45 seconds. 40 seconds.
Tulog. O, ikaw din. Tulog ka na rin.
45 seconds. Jump shot in number 35, no good. Number 11, 25 seconds. Pass to number 35. Pass to number 30, 20 seconds. Number 11, big shot, jump shot, no good. Number 02, pass break. To number 05. Wow! No good. Pass break in number 30. Okay, number 31. Still, pero only number 35. Jump shot.
Binondo team ball. Nag-jumble. Inbound. Pass to number 73. Maderal. Pinasa kay number 20. Easy 2 point para kay number 20. Number 35. Dribble the ball. Number 35. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Jump shot. Basket by Ramos. Maderal, binababa ang bola. Maderal, dribble the ball. Pass to Cedra. Pass to number 20. Jump shot, foul. It's foul with number 21. Oh. Wala. First personal foul. First team foul. Last shot para kay number 20. Basket by number 20. Number 35. Binababa ang bola. Number 35. Pass to Ramos. Ramos, jump shot. Wala. Nakuha ni number 25. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Dribble the ball. Crossover. Pass to Maderal. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 20. Basket by number 20. Number 35. Dribble the ball. Number 35. Jump shot. 3 points para kay number 35.
Number 73. Malaksak. Still by number 05. Nakuha ni number 35 ang bola. Merculita. Merculita. Diretso na. Foul. Counted. Number 13. Third personal foul. First team foul. One shot to control. No good. No good again. Number 20, pass to number 73. Number 73, pass to number 20, binigay niya number 30, inangat for 2 points. Number 05, iba na ang bola, pass to number 28. Number 28, back to number 05. No good, ang tirang step. Number 30, iba na ang bola. Number 30, dribble the ball. Oh, nabutan niya pa rin ang bola. Lahat ng, yun. Inangat. No good. Rebound ni number 30 ng bola. Inbound, number 73, pass to number 35. Number 35, dribble the ball, pass to number 24. Number 24, jump shot for 2 points. Inaba na ang bola ni number 35, Mercolita. Number 13, Ramos. Inanga. No good. Rebound by Ramos again. Oh. Foul. Who's foul? Rep. Number 20. Timeout. Timeout. Binondo team. Number 20, first. Okay, dahil nakikipagkwentuhan sa akin ng isa sa mga referee, back to the work.
Hindi mo magre-reverse yan. Walang baril yan.
No good. That's one shot to call from. 1 point mula sa tirang patrol ni number 30. Number 73, dribble the ball. Steal pero outside. Save! Still pero nakuha pa rin yung number 30 ang bola. Now, 8 to shot. That's the number 73. Way to shot. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Binaba na ang bola. Remaining time last 5 minutes and 20 seconds. It starts 27-35 in favor of Blade Busters. No good. Only number 11 ang bola. Pass to number 30. Number 30, binaba na ang bola. Only number 14 ang bola. Ramos. Ramos, dinerecho na. 2 points. Kalabaw. Dead ball, dead ball. Number 73. Hinahanap ng papasahan. Nakita si number 30, Sebwa. Sumalaksak. Tinira. No good. Nakuha ni number 13 ang bola. Ramos, pass to number 35. Mercolita. No good. Nakuha ni number 73. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 31. Number 31. Back. Wow, back pass. For 2 points by number 35. Wow. Nice effort. Serve. Number 05, binababa na ang bola. Pinasa ang number 35, pass to number 21. Number 21, sinalaksa, inangat, for 2 points. Tuck in, number 21, tuck in. Number 21, tuck in. Number 30, dribble the ball. Number 30, time to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Number 21 ball, pass to number 28. Number 28, pass to number 35. Number 35, dribble the ball. Time to shoot. Outside, same ball. Substitution rep. 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 Number 28, pass to number 05, pass to back to number 28, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 11, pass to number 23, number 23, binaba na ang bola. Ripple. Ripple the ball. Pass to number 31. Number 31. Big shot, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 32. Number 32. Oh. Nakuha niya pa rin ang bola. Ayun. Outside. Tinulungan niya ng outside ang bola. Kaya, Binondo team ball. Team ball. Team ball. Team ball. Team ball. Team ball. Okay. Inbound. Substitution rep. Inbound, number 73, pass to number 23. Number 23, dribble the ball. Pass to number 11. Number 11, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 28. Pass to number 06. Number 06, Ponce. Binigay kay number 05. Number 05, sinalaksak pero pinasa kay number 02 ang bola. Pass to number 13. Sinalaksak. Ang bitawan. Nakuha ni number 35. Ng Binondo Team. Number 35. Naiwanan ng bola pero nakuha niya pa rin. Still by number 02. Pass to number 05. Binigay kay number 06. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 13 ang bola. Ramos. Winner roll. Pass to number 13. Yung tawag ulit. Double foul, right? Number 13 and number 23. Number 13. Ilang foul ni number 13? First personal foul. Number 23, first personal foul. Inbound, number 30, pass number 28. Number 28, sumalaksak, inangat for 2 points. Ganun na. Foul, number 35, pass to number 73. Number 73, dribble tomorrow. Number 73, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 28, pass to number 05. Number 05, binigay pa rin number 02, nilaya for 2 points. Inbound number 11, 23. Number 23, binababa ng bola. Number 11, number 11. Pass to number 73. Number 73, jump shot. No good. Number 28, binaba na ang bola. Pinasa kay number 02. Oh my gosh. Foul number 35. Third personal foul. Third team foul. It's brought to you by Substitution Rep. It's brought to you by Quality Burger. Ang burger na. No good. Di na tayo basta-basta ngayon. Wala nang Monday. Wala nang Monday, mamon. No good again. Ako pa rin number 02, Sunset. No good again. Number 28, inangat. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 73. Number 73, jump shot. No good. Again, no good. Again, no good. Istata na na. Number 14, Ramos. Sumalaksak. Inangat. Block by number 35. Nakuha ni number 20 ang bola. Pass to number 35. Last 10 seconds. Seconds. Nabitawan. Number 11 again. Oh, foul! Who's foul rep? Number 13. Number 13, warning to Broadway. Port na port. Kasi may double foul eh. May double foul kanina. No good. Remaining time last 4 seconds. Score 29-45 in favor of Blade Master Team. No good. Rebound by number 32. Pass break to number 05. Number 20. The end of the third power play. The end. crucial D. Inbound number 02, pass number 35. Number 21, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 73. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 35. Binaban ang bola. Yaksa. Ponce, number 06. 8 to shoot. Jump shot in number 02, no good. Number 20, binaban ang bola. Pass to number 30. Binigay number 11. Back to number 30. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 73 ang bola. Migot pa. Number 73. Still by number 21. Nakuha ni number 28. Pass to number 06. Number 06. Dinalik ka na for 2 points. Number 11. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 30. Six to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 21. Number 35. Dribble the ball. Number 45, swept up, pero pinapakay number 02, jump shot, no good. Number 02 again, for 2. Number 30. Eight to shoot. Jump shot. For 2 points. Jump shot. No good. For 2 points. Number 30. Pass to number 73. Number 73, dribble the ball. Foul. Number 32. Second personal foul. First team foul. One point. Number 35, pass to number 32. Number 35, Mercolita. Dribble the ball. Oh! Foul, number rep. On a number rep. 73. Second personal foul, first team foul. Jump shot, no good. Running number 30, pass break at number 73. Easy. 2 points by number 73. Maraming salamat nga po pala sa mag-sponsor sa amin ng Lemon Tea. Yan, masaya kami yan. Number 35, Mercolita, pass to number 13. Number 02, pass to number 28. Number 28, jump shot. 4-3 points. Number 11, pinabahan ang bola. Cabaras, no good. Only number 28 ang bola, number 28, pinabahan ang bola. Zubac, pass to number 06, Ponce, jump shot, no good. Pass to number 35, pass break to number 11, number 11. Umigot pa ng umigot at nakakita ng 2 points by number 11. Number 32, rebound the ball. Remaining time was 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Score 38-54 in favor of the Wade Muscle Team. Down. Time out. Wade Muscle Team. In back to the bogey.
In back to the ball game of Mason.
1 point. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Number 28, no good. Number 32, no good. Binabali number 30 ang bola. Sebua, dribble the ball. Bitawan, nakuha number 02. Pass to number 31. Oh! Ang lambot. Number 28. Take shot. Oh! 3 seconds. Violation. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 35. Legaspi. Binigay number 20. Pass to number 30. Sebua. Pass to number 73. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Winning number 32 ang bola. Ang Blake Muscle Team. Number 32, pass to number 75. Number 75, binigay ka number 28. 10 to shoot. Patanda. 5 to shoot. No good. Tirang spot. Winning number 20. Number 20. Binababa ang bola. Binaya. No good. Tirang spot. Winning number 32 ang bola. Number 32. Binababa ang bola. Number 32. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 30. Number 30. Big pass. Binababa ang bola. Number 30. Sedwa. Dribble the ball. Oh, same ball. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Inbound number 20. Pass the number still the number 1. 40 number 35 jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11 jump shot. No good again. Nakuha ni number 13 ng bola. Number 13, Ramos. Dribble ng bola. Pinasa kay number 05. Number 05. Jump shot ni number 13, no good. Nakuha ni number 73 ang bola. Number 73, dribble the ball. For 2 points. Number 28. Last 2 minutes. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 18 ang bola. Pinasa kay number 73. Number 73, dinala na ang bola. Number 73, binigay kay number 20 ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 28. Number 28, G-back. Pass to number 21, binigay kay number 05. Number 05, dribble the ball. Number 05, Lucenio. Dribble the ball. Lucenio. Pass to number 03. Number 02, to the shot. Jump shot. No good. Kuha pa rin ni number 13 ang bola. Tuloy lang ang... No good again? No good again. Number 35, Legaspi lang, naka-rebound. Pinasa kay number 11. Number 11, pass to number 18. Number 18, jump shot for 3 points. Number 75, pinasa ng bola. Last 47 seconds. Number 13, 16 foul. Number 11, third personal foul, 13 foul. Foul. 5 to shoot. Pass break at number 20. 14 points. Kaya pa yan. 10. 10, 9. The end of the game. And the winner is Blade Master Team. Player of the game, Ram.